Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the full storage on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. To fix this issue, we have to first reach out to PhoneMaster application. Give it the permissions and select Junk Clean. Tap Clean. Give it the permission once again by finding your PhoneMaster on the list and letting it do its job. Now select the data that you want to erase and tap Clean. Okay, so we have just freed up almost 1 GB of junk in less than a minute. Now to do the rest of the job, let's go to Settings. Let's check our storage menu. Now here we can not only see how much storage is used on our smartphone, but also what it is used by. So the system files are the only files that we cannot get rid of. I can see that the apps are clogging up some space on our smartphone, but also we have images and videos which you can find in your gallery and simply delete them. Before you do that, you can also back them up to your Google account by going to System, Backup to Google Drive, enable your photos and videos, backup, and after you do that, okay, let's go. My gosh, how many settings I have to toggle on. And after we do that, we can back up all our photos and videos, and then we can safely delete them from our smartphone so they aren't stored locally. Now, as for the apps, we can go to the Apps menu, App Management. Let's go to the App List. Now here we obviously can get rid of the apps that we don't need, like Brave application. Simply tap uninstall and uninstall this app from your smartphone. Besides, you can also clean your browser data and cache easily here, as well as the cache for any application basically. All you have to do to clear the cache of any application is go to this application, tap Storage and Cache, and clear the cache of it. And lastly, you can also debloat your smartphone, but I'm not going to be showing you how to do that in this video. Instead, you should check our other video on how to debloat your application by deleting pre-installed apps on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus smartphone. And basically, once you have done all that, you will free up, well, at least a couple of gigabytes of space on your smartphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.